Here's the open secret in cybersecurity. We do not like trust. Specifically, we do not like trust claims we cannot verify. For example, I'm not going just to accept to give you my encryption key to store on your platform just because you are asking me to trust that you will not leak it to somebody else. We want to replace that trust with an algorithmic, verifiable claim that we can remotely or locally verify on our end. Let us take a step back here and follow the journey of data across its life cycle. Let's say you want to compute the average of the salaries for Department A. The computation will need to happen in main memory, in RAM. At that specific moment, you have to bring this data from disk into RAM, and you have to decrypt it. Throughout the entire time in which you are computing over your data, it is residing in clear text and encrypted in system memory. So the question here is, what can go wrong? A lot. There are millions lines of code underneath it, which are more privileged. So all of these millions lines of code, they can have access to your data in clear text. What we're saying is effectively, you are relying on these millions lines of code which you have not developed yourself in order to ensure the security guarantees, confidentiality and integrity of your code and data. And that's a huge amount of trust that you're asked to put in third-party software. So confidential computing is here to flip this paradigm completely. It is giving you the tools, finally, to protect your applications, data, and code from this privileged system software. In this sense, what confidential computing gives you is the ability to protect yourself from a very strong attacker. The way this is done is truly rooted in the hardware. We rely on silicon innovation here to give us these strong guarantees for security at the application layer. Today we have solutions from both Intel, AMD, and NVIDIA, which allow you to run your training and inferencing in an isolated, trusted execution environment. Thanks to the confidential computing capabilities of NVIDIA GPUs, we are also capable of combining both performance and security and running AI workloads in a confidential way. This is a feature that is available today across both some select public clouds that we have launched with, as well as on the private data center. If security is the concern that is stopping you from moving into production, then you should definitely look into confidential computing and consider protecting your data across its life cycle, across both its inferencing and training phases.